Ram 1500 HEMI, 2006, one of the OGs. Let me show you guys what we done to it. Converter. And then you guys can see, if you know our videos, when you see them crossed, you know what that means. True dual. Straight pipe all the way back. And we did it in 2.5 on this one. Out on each side, right there, in right there, up over the rear end there. Really nice clean job. Guys outdid themselves as usual. And then out the back into rolled 6-inch tips. Because you know what? Why not? It's a big truck. It needs big tips to show off what it can sound like. And we always like to go with 5 or 6-inch tips to give it a little bit more tone, a little bit more sound. It gives it a clean, deep tone. And it's just throatier. It just gives it a cleaner, crisper sound, a distinctive sound. So there it is, SLT Ram 1500 5.7 HEMI. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Perfect? That's what you want. That's what you came here for. That's idle, guys. So the idle, it's pretty clean, quiet. And then, that's idle right at 74, 75. Nothing crazy. Go ahead. And then it comes alive. Can I You like it? Yeah. All right. That's exactly what you wanted, right? Yeah. Go ahead again. Dude, it's 121. That's crazy. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 122. Let you guys hear it close up. Go ahead. Is shaking. Gotta back it out. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. This is our shop, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our phone number. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. Come and see us. I love the look of this, the 45s. This gives it a really nice clean stance. You guys can see on the truck. Just it shows just enough stainless steel to make it look clean. You never want to stick them out too much because they don't look right. But right there is perfect. You see it from the side here. It's nice and clean. It's so loud. I love it. They never disappoint the Revs, man. That 5.7 HEMI, baby. You can't beat that 5.7 HEMI. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 06, the OG, and they sound better with the OGs, man. They're just loud. It's a whole different beast. True dual straight pipes with 6-inch tips. Heavy, baby, beast mode. Heavy. Can't not beat a HEMI, guys. I love it.